So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to sell AI workflows without starting an agency. Because the truth is, if you've never actually sold AI workflows before, building an agency is probably the worst move you can make. You'll be drowning in client headaches, and you'll probably want to give up before you make any real money.
I nearly quit when my first AI project turned into a nightmare. Here's the smarter way I wish I knew earlier.
Your first step, become an AI freelancer. Of course, before you can become a consultant, you want to have some proof that you can deliver, and that's where freelancing comes in. I know the term freelancing doesn't sound as shiny as consulting or agency owner, but this stage is critical. As a freelancer, you're getting paid to learn. You're testing different workflows, solving real problems, and building up your portfolio.
Start small. Do 3 to 5 freelance projects. Think of it as getting paid to practice. Each tiny win gives you proof, testimonials, and confidence.
All without the pressure of running a big operation. The goal here isn't to make millions overnight. It's to rack up 3 to 5 solid, paid results that you can show as proof of what you can do. For me, freelancing gave me 4 things that I couldn't skip. Proof of results, so that when I said I can save you X hours a week, I actually had examples. Testimonials, actual words from clients to build my credibility.
We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help, because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video.
Confidence in my process. I knew how to handle a project from start to finish, and clarity on my niche. I learned who I liked working with and who actually paid well. Without those things, moving into consulting would have been guesswork. One win led to another and another. Each time, I learned more about how to communicate with clients, how to price correctly, and how to spot red flags before taking on a project. You just have to be in that mindset of getting paid to practice.
And once you've stacked those wins, the next step is laser focusing on the right pain to solve. Because not every client is worth your time.
Step 1, choose a pain point to solve. The first mistake a lot of people make is just saying, I can automate anything, just tell me what you need.
Don't say, I can automate anything. That's like being the buffet, cheap and overwhelming. Instead, pick one person and one pain. When you specialize, you're the steakhouse, premium and in demand.
That's way too broad. You need to pick a specific type of person that you want to help. Coaches, e-com store owners, agencies, whatever. And pick one clear problem to solve for them.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
Now, I'll be honest. I ultimately went broad because I had a lot of inbound leads from the channel, but if you're starting from scratch, I highly recommend niching down. Not only will it make your outreach and your content more consistent, but it will help you convert at a higher rate, deliver better.
And once you've picked that pain, you can't just talk about it. You've got to show it. That's where your simple before and after demo comes in.
Build a simple demo or case study. People need to see it to believe it. That's why I would always create a quick demo, sometimes just like a quick 2-minute Loom video, just showing a before and after.
Make a simple demo. Show the painful before, a coach typing 100 messages. Then the smooth after, your chatbot booking only serious leads. You're selling the destination, not the engine.
For example, the before could be a coach manually messaging every lead to qualify them. The after could be your chatbot in action, which does that automatically and only books qualified leads onto the coach's calendar. You're showing the destination, not the car that gets them there. AI is the car, the result is the actual destination that the business.
And once you've got their eyes locked on that result, it's time to drop a no-brainer money offer they'd feel silly saying no to.
Rate. A no-brainer, to me, sounds like this. Hey, you're doing this process manually, which takes you 5 hours a week. If you value your time at $100 an hour, that's $500 a week. Over a month, $2,000. Over a year, $24,000.
Say this instead. You waste 5 HRs a week, not $24K a year. My build costs $2K, but it saves you $22K. That's a no-brainer.
Now, if I can go ahead and build you a system that eliminates all of that manual work, I'm not just giving you back 20 hours a month, which is huge, I'm also giving you back $2,000 a month in value. So paying me only $2,000 for that solution is a no-brainer, because over the course of the year, you're getting back 240 hours.
And once you've delivered, don't just walk away. This is where you measure, document, and capture proof that your system worked.
Document and capture metrics. After you've got a client on board, your next job is to track metrics before and after the automation goes live. Ask questions like, how long does this task take manually? What's the error percentage? How many leads or tickets are processed per week?
Track before and after, hours saved, errors gone, revenue gained. Turn those numbers into case studies and testimonials. That proof unlocks bigger clients.
Then, after your system's up and running, measure those same numbers again. This will do two things for you. The first one is that it will give you a rock-solid case study to win future clients, because you're objectively proving that your system added value. And second, it shows the client in black and white numbers that their investment paid off. And when they see that proof, they're obviously way more likely to give you a strong testimonial, because now you've helped them feel the value.
And once you've stacked those proofs, you're ready to level up, stop charging for little tasks, and start charging as a true consultant.
Your pitch becomes more of a, let me figure out what you actually need, then I'll design the solution for you. And this shift fundamentally changes how clients look at you. You're no longer just an extra set of hands or, a subcontractor that they can push some work to. You're the expert.
You don't need an agency or to quit your 9 to 5. Start solo, get wins, show proof, build demos, drop no-brainer offers, and scale up. That's how you move from small gigs to consulting deals.
The strategist. You're the one they trust to guide them through the chaos and all of this noise of AI and automation. And once you've proven you can deliver those results, you can stop charging for tasks and start charging for outcomes.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9 to 5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program. And our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
As a freelancer, you might be charging $1,000 to $5,000 per project. As a consultant, you can package that same expertise into $10,000 plus solutions.
And the best part? You can do it step by step without drowning in clients. Start small today and build something that could replace your 9 to 5 tomorrow.
Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.